Let's be honest, airport security wasn't exactly designed with comfort in mind. The long lines, the rushing, the constant unpacking, it can wear anyone down, and even more so if you're navigating it with stiff joints, medical devices, or simply less patience for the chaos. But here's the good news. With the right know-how, it doesn't have to be a dreaded part of the trip. Throughout this airport security check, essential tips for travelers. Over 60 guide, you'll pick up practical, real-world strategies that help you move through the checkpoint calmly, confidently, and without a hitch, so you can save your energy for the journey ahead. Many seniors overlook pre-booking services that dramatically ease security. TSA PreCheck offers expedited screening with less hassle for eligible travelers. This means keeping shoes and light jackets on and laptops in their bags. Applying for TSA PreCheck can significantly reduce your airport security check wait times. In 2023, over 90% of PreCheck passengers waited less than 5 minutes. This is a top senior travel tip for stress-free travel after 60. And if you're wondering, can I go straight for the security check if I have no baggage at the airport? The answer might surprise you, but first, let's talk about what you're actually allowed to bring through. Knowing what you can and cannot bring through security saves valuable time and avoids issues. Medications, both prescription and over-the-counter, are generally allowed in carry-on bags. Always keep them in their original containers for easy identification. For senior citizen travel, liquid medications exceeding the 311 rule are permitted with proper declaration. In 2024, the TSA clarified that medically necessary liquids are exempt from size restrictions. This ensures your essential health items are always accessible. Now that you know what's allowed, how should you actually organize everything so it clears the scanner without a second look? Traveling with mobility aids like wheelchairs or walkers requires specific protocols including visual and physical inspections. You may always request a private screening to ensure your comfort while these essential items are processed. Additionally, travelers carrying professional cameras should be prepared for a DSLR airport security check where gear might be screened separately. To simplify the process, contact TSA Cares at least 72 hours before your flight to arrange for a support specialist. These professionals can guide you through every step, from mobility screening to the DSLR airport security check. This specialized assistance makes managing complex senior travel requirements much more manageable and stress-free. With your mobility aids and gear taken care of, what's the one thing most travelers forget to have ready before they even reach the checkpoint? We'll get to that in just a second. But first, since we're talking about stress-free travel for seniors, I want to take a moment to talk about what happens after you land. Because if you've ever dreamed of an African safari but worried it wouldn't be comfortable or accessible enough, Pamoja Safaris was built exactly for that. They specialize in bespoke senior African safaris, tailored entirely to your pace, your needs, and your interests. Think luxurious lodges with full accessibility, private vehicles, and expert guides handling every detail. So all you have to do is show up and enjoy the wildlife. If that sounds like your kind of adventure, check the link in the description below. Now, back to the checkpoint. Because having your documents ready at the right moment is what separates a smooth experience from a stressful one. Having your airport documents checked and ready is crucial for a smooth security experience. Keep your boarding pass, ID, and any necessary medical letters easily accessible. A small travel wallet or clear pouch can be incredibly helpful for this. Many airports, like those overseen by the German Federal Airport Police, prioritize efficient document checks. By 2026, many major airports aim for 95% of passengers to use biometric scanning for the boarding process verification. This will further speed up senior travel. Documents sorted. But what's the most common mistake people make right at the scanner that causes unnecessary delays? Laptops, tablets, and other large electronic devices must typically be removed from your carry-on bag. Place them in a separate bin for X-ray screening to avoid delays. Smaller electronics like phones can usually remain in your bag. For senior travel guide advice, consider minimizing the number of electronic items you carry through security. This simplifies the process and reduces the chance of forgetting something important. Always double-check your bins after they pass through the scanner. You've got your electronics handled, but are there other everyday items that quietly trigger extra scrutiny without you even realizing it? Once through the scanner, take your time to gather all your belongings from the bins. Move to a less congested area to redress and repack your carry-on bag. In 2025, new advanced imaging technology rolled out to 100 major U.S. airports, allowing many items to stay in bags. This is a key travel tip for seniors to avoid feeling rushed or flustered. A calm approach makes the entire senior travel experience more enjoyable and efficient. You're through security, but what's the single most important thing to do in those first few minutes on the other side to keep your trip running smoothly? Simple, don't rush. Step aside, take a breath, and repack calmly. That one habit alone makes the entire airport experience feel far less chaotic and far more enjoyable. You now understand the essential strategies for navigating airport security with confidence. From pre-booking services to managing your documents, these senior travel tips empower you. Mastering these steps ensures your journey remains focused on the adventure ahead, not the checkpoint. For more helpful guides on making your trips seamless, check out our video on Airport Tips, 6 Tricks Seniors Should Know Before Their Next Flight. If you are finding these senior travel tips helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel right now. We share new travel after 60 guides every week to help you explore the world with confidence. Before you go, I have put together a free senior travel packing list as a downloadable PDF. The link is in the description below.